Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Clear and Concise. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve a vibration related problems. Here, a mass m is attached to a light spring which oscillates with a period of 2 seconds. So mass is m which is oscillating with a period of 2 seconds. If the mass is increased by 2 kg, the period increases by 1 second. What is the value of mass m? Here, this is a spring mass system. For spring mass system, the governing equation is mx double dot plus kx equals to 0. Here m is mass of this system that is attached to the spring. X double dot is acceleration of mass. K is spring stiffness in the system and x is the displacement of the mass. Now, if we rewrite this equation, we will have x double dot plus k by m times x equals to 0. Here, this k by m is a constant which is equals to omega square. Omega square is equals to k by m. So, if we rewrite this, x double dot plus omega square times x equals to 0. Here, the term omega is the angular frequency of the system. Angular frequency of the system, which is given by omega equals to square root of k by m. This is angular frequency. The units are radians per second. Now, we know natural frequency of the system f is related to omega by the following relation. Omega equals to 2 pi f. 2 pi f. Now, we also know the time period t of the system is related to natural frequency f by this following relationship, like t equals to 1 by f. By using these two equations and substituting these two values in omega, we will get omega is equals to 2 pi f, where f is equals to 1 by t. So 2 pi by t is equals to square root of k by m. Now, squaring both sides yields like some constant divided by t square, that is equals to k by m. Now k is also constant. The term here c, that is 4 pi square, that is also constant. So sending constant, all constants to one side, we will get m by t square equals to c. c1. Let's say it is c1. So here mass divided by time period square is equals to some constant. By using this relationship, we can write m1 by t1 square is equals to m2 by t2 square. That is equals to some constant. Now let's substitute the values m1, m2, t1, t2. We will get initial mass is m and initial time period t1 is 2 seconds, that is 2 square, which is equals to m2 final mass, that is increased by 2 kg. So m plus 2 kg divided by final time period is increased by 1 second. So that is 2 plus 1 whole square. Now rearranging this equation, 2 plus 1, that is 3 square times m is equals to 2 square times m plus 2. That is equals to 9m is equals to 4m plus 8, which is equals to 9m minus 4m, that is equals to 8, which yields m is equals to 8 by 5, because 9m minus 4m is equals to 5m. So 5m is equals to 8, where m is equals to 8 by 5. That is equals to 1.6 kg. So the correct answer is option B, 1.6 kg. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.